Good morning, students. Welcome to Max Muller Global Education Online Learning Solutions. I am Prashanti from Social Studies faculty. Today I am going to talk about variations, especially variations in temperatures. What are variations? Variations means differences, variety. Usually when we tell about social studies subject, many children feel that it is a boring subject. But I feel social studies is a wonderful subject, beautiful subject, because we learn variety of things in nature, in history, in economics, evolution, origin, everything of all sciences we come across in social studies. Let us take just one particular concept as example. Variations in landforms on the earth. Regarding landforms, if we see, we have mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, deserts, icelands. And if we see water bodies, we have oceans, seas, rivers, ponds, lakes, waterfalls, etc. And if we see about vegetation, we have evergreen forests, coniferous forests, deciduous forests, tundra vegetation. And if we see crops, we have food grain crops, cash crops. And if we see animal life, variety of animal life we have on this earth. Animal life too, we have animals on the land, animals in the water. In the animal kingdom also you have wildlife and domestic life. Animals in the sea, water bodies, you have fish, dolphins, whales. So many varieties we find in sea, oceans. So like this, we come across variations on the earth. Just on the earth if we see, like this, in social studies, you find various periods in history: ancient period, medieval period, modern period, economics, macroeconomics and microeconomics. Now today the main concept is, do you know that there are variations in temperatures also? So our main concept is variations in temperatures. This is the main concept of our lesson. What is this variations in temperature? Let us see. Let us see I know this is not in complete circular shape, but let us see. Let us imagine that This is the shape of the earth or globe. And we know that this is 0 degree latitude. And this is 23.5 degrees north latitude. And this is 66.5 degrees north latitude. In the same way, in the southern hemisphere, you have another 23.5 degrees south latitude, and we have 66.5 degrees southern latitude. Now, regarding temperatures on the earth, what are the variations? If we see at the equator region, in this region, it is very hot. Whereas, if we move towards the poles in the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, you have here moderate temperature. This is very high temperature. Here you have moderate temperature. And if we go further towards poles, here it is frigid zone, very cold in the northern pole area, and southern pole area very cold. So did you understand the variations on the earth? At the equatorial level, it is very hot. When you go towards northern pole and southern pole, in the tropical areas, the temperature is moderate in the northern hemisphere and in the southern hemisphere. And when we go to northern pole direction and southern pole direction, here it is very cold. Why there are so many variations in temperature? Though it is one earth, the reason is the rotation and revolution of the earth.